What e-commerce platform should a small business owner start with?
And my usual answer is that, okay, if it's a small business owner, don't go with Magento because it's going to be really expensive. Then you have Shopify and WooCommerce. I like both of these systems, but it then depends on how tech savvy you are. I would go with WooCommerce because it has so many possibilities, and it's WordPress, so you have different plugins, and you have more flexibility in terms of, for example, changing your robust TXT, sitemap, XML, all this stuff. While in Shopify, you don't have this things, but Shopify is easy for people who can't look in the code, who need everything being really easy. So if you're not tech savvy, then Shopify would be a good solution. If you are, I'd go with WooCommerce.